Across the industry, drug developers are working with molecules that routinely exceed the limits of conventional formulation in manufacturing approaches. Timelines are compressed, expectations keep increasing, and every decision has the potential to affect cost and manufacturability at a large scale. KinetiSol was engineered to relieve this pressure and give teams a clearer, more reliable path to commercialization of amorphous solid dispersions. KinetiSol is a fusion-based process that forms amorphous solid dispersions in seconds, enabling rapid prototyping early while maintaining a clear line of sight to commercial manufacturing. Because the same operating principle and equipment platform are used from phase 1 through commercial production, KinetiSol processing compresses scale-up timelines from months to weeks. Unlike traditional ASD technologies that often require new equipment configurations or significant formulation adjustments as programs scale, KinetiSol runs continuously, simplifying scale-up. Production can flex with demand by adjusting runtime or operating additional lines, supporting programs from orphan indications through blockbuster supply on the same processing platform with consistent manufacturing performance. As a solvent-free processing technology, KinetiSol avoids the emissions, waste streams, and energy-intensive recovery steps that increase the environmental footprint of other ASD processes. There is no solvent handling, no nitrogen supply, and no secondary drying, which reduces operational risk and supports a 30 to 50% reduction in cost of goods. The equipment installs directly into existing suites with zero added footprint, creating a cleaner and more efficient path from early development through commercial supply. KinetiSol expands the formulation design space for amorphous solid dispersions, enabling higher performing ASD compositions that deliver improved bioavailability and release kinetics, robust stability, and potential intellectual property. The resulting dense, freely flowing intermediates support direct compression and higher ASD loading per tablet, reducing pill burden for patients while streamlining large-scale manufacturing. KinetiSol delivers in vivo ASD performance with lower risk, more efficient manufacturing, and a greener footprint to help developers advance complex molecules with confidence.